Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day, my friends. So in this video today, guys, one of my students asked me, hey Keder, how can I make $1,000 in one day from branding, okay, from my brand? So in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can make $1,000 or more in one day from branding. Now that's why branding is so important. I'm gonna jump into the computer. I'll show you one of my business that, you know, with branding that enabled me to make over 1K a day. Then we'll show you a process. I'll show you a process on how you can actually do the same thing. So if you're excited, you're ready to learn this information, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this information with a friend. So let's jump into the computer. We'll show you the results, and then I'll also give you a blueprint, something you can follow, a formula which I wish someone had taught me in the beginning of my career when I was stuck at making $100 a day. You get what you ask for. In the beginning, I said, God, please, if you help me make $100 a day in my business, I'll be forever grateful. I just didn't know you could get more. Then when I get to 100, I got stuck there because that's what I asked for. You know, you do not get because you ask not. So I started asking myself the question, how can I get more? How can I do more? And then I met a mentor, right, which I paid over 10 G's to actually learn this formula that I'm going to teach you inside of this video. 10K, which you guys get to learn it. You didn't even pay for free. So let's jump into the computer. We'll talk about the strategy and how you could do it in a very simple steps. All right, let's do it.
I'm also doing a giveaway to one of my loyal subscribers by card or by PayPal, $100. Here's how you can be part of it. You want to smash the like button on this video. You also want to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. So turn on notification bell so you can always be notified when I drop new content. Scroll down below, and at the end of the video, drop a comment. Let me know how you feel about the video so that I choose a winner, and then from those winners, I'll send the money either out to PayPal. Follow my next video. Once I choose the winner, I'll announce it. I'll take your email, then go to send money here, and then I'm gonna go to my PayPal, put it there, send you the money. You go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen for yourself, guys. I can tell you, you can change your life.
Okay, we are now in my computer, so I'll show you one of my business that creates over 1K today. So we're just gonna log in. Okay, so we in there. As you can see, let me move my head. Hopefully you can see it from the left. Okay, right here it says $4,000 for today. Right now, let me go ahead and give you the secret on how to do that. Let's say, hey, you know what? You're building a business and you haven't had one of those crazy days and you want to do the same thing. Let me go ahead and we're going to come up with a strategy for you, okay? We'll call it the $1,000 a day strategy, 1K day strategy, okay? So let me push that back. So we're going to do this just in 3 simple steps. I'm going to teach you guys in 3 simple steps. Okay, number 1, okay, display skill set. Okay, what I'm talking about display this skill set, guys, you want to use social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram to display your skill set. What do you know how to do? Okay, do you know how to build a funnel? Do you know how to build a Shopify store? Do you know how to put a store together? Do you know how to create a YouTube channel? What are the skill set do you have? Display your skill set. And another way you could do it, you could build a list built, okay, list building, and host a webinar. So if you list build, you have all those people on a list, you can actually create a webinar where you can get all those people on a webinar and show them your display. Show them what you know how to do. Show them the skill set, whatever skill set you have. Show them some results of a product that you have that's converting in a funnel at 20% or at 10% higher than industry average. When you can display your skill set now, or using a video like this, I'm displaying my skill set, displaying skill set. Okay, after you display skill set, you want to offer a done for you service. See this $4,000 you see is someone that pays me for done for you service. See, you offer a done for you service and then close. That's it. Close the deal. See, this is how it is. Like in the beginning, I was killing myself, you know, making commissions of $20, $10 in my business when I was making sales off Amazons and other things. Never was I able to have a day where I just make one sale and I just make $1,000 for the day. Just $1,000 for the day. Just one sale. But then soon a mentor of mine showed me the strategy of done for you services. Whatever skill set that you have, whatever things that you know, how to do, you create a done for you service. That way you could do it for the people, because a lot of people out there, they don't have time to go and build a business. They don't have time to go and spend time into trying to build this business, but they can have you build it for them and you just charge them a price and then that's it. So a done for you service where you're going to be able to get, you know, close the deal, offer an offer, boom, and then you close the deal, whether it's $2,000, $3,000, boom. That's how you're going to be able to do it. Okay, now if you think this was really short and sweet and you're interested into a full course that teaches you how I actually create big payday on the internet. I did a course when I had my first $12,000 day online. I'll bring up the course here real quick so you guys can actually see it. Hold on. See if I can bring that up. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the course. If you go to Keder.Cormier.net, this is called the Ultimate Cash Flow Process. In this course, guys, I teach you how to build big paydays. No, Keder.Cormier.com, not .net. This is my blog. Ooh, okay, so that's it. In this course, I literally break down for you how I had my first $12,000 day online. This is it. Keder.Cormier.com. I have this course that I have called the Ultimate Cash Flow Process. This is the first time how I made my first $12,000 in a one day online after struggling to get, like, you know, commissions of 20, 50, 100. It was never always having big paydays. So this is one of the other strategy. The strategy that I taught you earlier is a done for you. In this one, I teach you how to create a high ticket product. Okay, you can do both of them, either a done for you or a high ticket product. In this video, I mainly focus on showing you how to do a done for you, so you can just go ahead and offer that as a service and then you close the deal. Okay, in this product, I'll show you how to do a high ticket product. So it kind of breaks down on how to do it and the process of doing the webinar and stuff like that. Guys, this video is not going to be long. It's going to be very short. Sometimes we want to be long-winded and have a lot of content for just no reason, but I'm telling you, this is the gist of it. If you apply this little strategy, just these 3 steps that you see here, they might not look a lot, but I promise you it's very efficient. So if you apply those 3 steps, display your skill set, either list or build a list, host a webinar, you know, build an offer at the end of the webinar, and it's a done for you offer where you could do something for some people. They'll pay you thousands of dollars because you're gonna save them time, and if you're efficient at it, they are willing to just pay you so you can get it done for them, and then you close the deal. That's about it. That's all that it is. Now, closing the deal, there's so many different ways you can go about closing the deal. You could do YouTube, you could do Facebook, you could do live event. You can have people come to your live event where you show them your skill set, what you have available, and then you close the deal. I did that in my live event, and you could do that. You could do live event, you could do webinars, you could do Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. That's the gist of it, you know. And if you're interested in my course, I'm gonna put the link to that course below. If you want to get it for yourself, you can do that. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Was that something that you've done before, or is it something that opened your mind and you feel like, oh, you have this moment, this moment where you feel like, hey, I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna make it work. Just anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about it. It was your boy Keder. I appreciate you. Let's crush this. Let's win, baby. Let's go to a whole next level. Just believe that and know that your boy believe in you, and I know you can make this stuff happen for yourself. So pound it, pow. I believe in you. Let's go do it. You're going through some hard times.